Hi, I'm Amy Williamson, and I'm a copywriter, email strategist, and quiz funnel builder. This is kind of embarrassing to admit, but before working with Interact, I barely had an email list. Since launching my quiz, I've grown it to over 600 subscribers and counting. And every time I promote it, I see a spike in subscribers, website traffic, and service inquiries. Interact made it so simple to build and embed a quiz. The design is intuitive, it's easy to use, and you're able to create something that looks on brand. I love that it integrates with email providers as well, which means that you're actually able to take your quiz takers and segment and nurture them based on their results. And being able to redirect the results pages was a huge win for me. It meant that I was able to build out custom, lengthier results pages that were packed full of value. We're talking the kind of pages that people actually bookmark and come back to again and again. Quizzes are by far the best lead generation strategy out there. And thanks to Interact, they're easier than ever to create.